We are continuing to build up to and look ahead to the T20 World Cup later this year in Australia. Who would you pick as the starting five in your World 11 from World Cricket right now, and why are you picking?
The first one I pick would absolutely be Bابber. He's the #1 T20 batsman in the world, and he just knows how to dominate. It's like he's not even taking a risk, and he scores incredibly quickly against the best bowlers in the world. He's going to do very well in Australian conditions as well. His technique's very much built for Australian conditions. So Bابber. The second one is Surya Kumar Yadav. He's obviously batting incredibly well, so he would be my #2 pick. But I wouldn't be surprised at all if KL Rahul just really explodes in the T20 World Cup in Australia, because he's got the game to dominate in these conditions in Australia. Dave Warner, #3 is Dave Warner. Dave Warner, gosh, he got the player of the tournament in the last men's T20 World Cup with the Aussies winning. He scored some great runs for the Delhi Capitals as well. He's going to have plenty of fire in his belly to make his mark in a T20 World Cup at home, so he's going to be ready to go. #4 for me is Jos Buttler. A lot of times anyway, during the IPL, no one could get him out. 400s has only been done once before in an IPL, with Virat Kohli doing that. So Jos Buttler is just, when he's in form, and he has been in form, he's just about impossible. In T20 cricket, he's just about impossible to get out. He can just hit it wherever he wants, of the best bowlers in the world. So, and he knows Australian conditions really well. He's played the Big Bashes and done very well in the Big Bash a few years ago that I played with him at the Sydney Thunder. So Jos Buttler is going to dominate, I think. And the last one is Shane Shah-Afridi. His wicket-taking ability is just something very special we saw in the last men's T20 World Cup. His ability to be able to get the best batsman out with that brand new ball. I'd be very surprised he doesn't really dominate in the Australian conditions with the ball swinging around, fast bouncy wickets. My only little concern with him is if he doesn't take wickets to start with, then he can sort of just tailor off a little bit. So I'm sure he's been working on that. So. But I'd be surprised if he doesn't dominate again.